Welcome back to the Genie Head Gamer. Last video we did of Teardown, we were trying to figure out if we even like this game or not. So far I like it, but the really true test, the last one was about the controls. This next one we're going to go ahead and, it's still fun to throw and break stuff, so no matter what, if I feel stressed out, I'm going to come in here and pick up and throw stuff and break things, and it's great. But for now, to really test out the controls, we are going to dive into one of these missions. Which is Gas Bill 1. How do I not have that? Oh, these are missions right here. That looks good. Can I get into there? Yep. Replay mission. So this must be one I played. I don't remember playing because it's been a while on Teardown. Ooh. Login devices. Oh yeah, I remember we got to get the items. So first of all, we have to get into this place. Tab for the mission objective. I already kind of know we're looking for stuff that we have to pick up. No, that's not what we're doing. Let's hit tab. Factory North, okay. Pick up 3 login devices. I knew we were picking up something, okay. Login devices. Now, I don't remember how to get in here. The easiest way I can see getting in here would be hit the E button. Oh, before I can do that, I have to get in here and finish the actual mission. I was going to try to run that building there, so how do I jump up here? Maybe a tree I can climb or something. That helps. Ooh, I'm climbing a tree. Come on. Okay, just not climbing very good. Oh, I got in. Oh, got in. See that tab button they talked about? Oh, right in front of me. There is a building. Okay, the sledgehammer is not getting me in that way. Ooh, I just have to break it out. Oh, that's metal too. So not. This is a locked up. Ooh. Building. That's what I need. Oh yeah. Oh, destroying. Oh yeah. Inside now. This is one of our items here. Let's go take a look at what we got to do exactly. Ooh, look. It's kind of cool. Oh, well, so that was my path up there. I destroyed my path up there. That was probably not the smartest thing to do in the world. Oh, that was just fun, really. So I destroyed my only way of getting up there. Ooh, but I can take stuff out like this. Oh, that was just fun also. It's not going to really get me up there where I want to go. And I really just failed my first mission. First fail, major fail. Can we get that guy out there? Let's take this. I'm going to fail. Since I failed it anyway, what can we do there? Oh! Oh, my health just went way down. But it builds back up, so that's good to know. Okay, well, guys and gals, I'm going to go around a little bit more in here, but I think I failed my first mission right away. So if you like that type of gameplay from Genie Head Gamer, somebody that doesn't really know what he's doing, but I'll try over and over, and eventually I'll be entertaining, or I'll beat something, or if the game just stinks and I don't want to play anymore, I'll get another game. But oh man, okay, I got to get going a little bit more on this. I can't be good at that. It has to be something to destroy something. It's a destruction game. Destruction game. That is semi-satisfying, but not as much as beating a mission. So let's drive the vehicle. Let's drive the vehicle into the water and see what happens. Wow, okay. So it did nothing. So, anticlimactic ending. I know I was trying for something a little bit more, but please like and subscribe. The Genie Head Gamer. Oh, I was trying to hopefully find something in this outfit that was pretty cool. But where I'll play random games. I do other stuff on YouTube. I just don't know what I'm going to do. But for now, we'll start with games. Whatever is popular. Gameplay. I'll juggle if you want me to. I don't care on Genie Head Gamer. But like and subscribe. Come back for more riveting gameplay. Thanks very much. Catch you on the back end. Whatever that means.